Hello dear friends, today we are going to be reviewing the PotomacBeads February Treasury bags. All these materials are going to be in these bags. Check round beads, 8mm. Purple crazy lace, 6mm. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my favorite color is purple. And there's a lot of purples in here. We have some lavender, 6mm. Potomac pearls. We have some bells, 9mm, and they're 99.9 pure silver plating. We have wire guardian protectors. I love to use wire guardian protectors with my earrings. I don't know if you noticed, but most of the times I use wire protector. We have these tulip beads. I might make a necklace with these ones. They're really pretty. The color is beautiful. Miyuki seed beads, silver line flame red AV, and these are 8 O's. We had these two beautiful beads, flower design ovals. Ear wires, simple ball, 20 by 10.5, 20 wire. I'm not sure what material they're this ear wires. And we have some 2-hole tiles. Look at these beautiful flowers. I love this color. And look at these stars. Hearts. We are in Valentine's month, so these hearts are beautiful. We have some, these are 10mm. I love them. Then we have these checks, and these are 6mm. And we have Potomac crystal bicons. These ones are 2mm. And these two are check face rounds, and these are 3mm. These are quad bow beads. They have 4 holes. This is the first time I see these beads. Are Storm Duo. This is my first time I see these beads as well. I've been working so much, I'm not doing much beadings. Ooh, I love this. Potomac crystal navets, white opal. Oh my, these are beautiful. I love opal. And this is all the materials that are in this box. So go ahead and buy it because everything that is in this box I love. I'm already thinking, what am I gonna do with this? My twins birthstone, it's opal, and there is 2. Already thinking. Please don't forget to visit the Potomac Beads and get the February box. There are amazing materials in here. Until next time, thank you.